Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to talk about a simple yet important topic, and that is to name your form. Let's get started. First, click on your form element and then go to Edit Form on the action bar above. Here, go to the Settings tab, and you should see a field where you can input your form name. So delete the current one and enter the new name you'd like to name your form with. Once you're done, click on Save, and then you can close this window now. And now you've successfully renamed your form so you can easily identify it from your dashboard later on. So that's all for today. Hope you guys found today's video of help. And if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.